So in this lesson, we are going to continue with what we started on absolute value inequalities. So number one, absolute value of x minus 3 less than 5. So you always want to make sure that absolute value bars are isolated, okay? So meaning we don't have anything in front or outside of the bars, right? In number one, the absolute value bars are isolated because that x minus 3 is inside of the bars, okay? On the left side of the inequality, we don't have anything but an absolute value bar. So we are going to remove the bars and make our two inequalities. So x minus 3 less than 5. Now we'll reverse everything. X minus 3, I'm going to switch from less than to greater than, and I'm going to make that 5 negative. So solve each inequality. X less than 8. X greater than negative 2. So on the number line, here's 0, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So less than 8, open circle, going left, and then greater than negative 2, open circle going right. So we have a right arrow and a left arrow, meaning we're going to shade in between the two values. And that's your graph. All right, so number 2 is really similar. Remove the bars and we'll form our two inequalities. First inequality, v plus 2 greater than 5. Second one is v plus 2 less than negative 5. So solving each, v greater than 3, v less than, it should be negative 7. So on the number line, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 7. So we have negative 7, open circle, arrow pointing left, greater than 3. We have open circle and an arrow pointing to the right. All right, so number three, the bars are isolated as well because that 4w plus 4 is entirely inside the bars. So same concept here. We'll remove the bars and make our two inequalities. So our inequalities are going to be 4w plus 3 less than or equal to 12. And now in the other inequality, we'll reverse 4w plus 4 greater than or equal to negative 12. So solving each, w less than or equal to negative 4. I'm sorry, I messed up. Oops. 12 minus 4 is 8, not negative 16. I'm sorry. Divided by 4. Oops. W less than or equal to 2. Sorry, I was looking at the other inequality. Okay, let's fix this. 4w greater than or equal to negative 16. So w greater than or equal to negative 4. Now I'll do the graph. 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So both of these have closed circles. Greater than negative 4 goes right, less than 2 goes left, so we are going to shade in between the two values. Number 4. Okay, number 4, the bars are not isolated. I'm going to rewrite the problem down here. So first we want to get rid of that 2. Let's add 2 to each side. Now we want to get rid of that 6. That 6 is multiplying the absolute value bars, so we'll divide to get rid of it. Which gives me absolute value w plus 9 less than or equal to 5. Now we'll set up our two inequalities. We have w plus 9 less than or equal to 5, and we'll reverse everything. W plus 9 greater than or equal to negative 5. So w less than or equal to negative 4. W greater than or equal to negative 14. So what does that look like? Here's 0, negative 4, close circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And then less than or equal to negative 14. That also gets a closed dot. Okay. So less than or equal to negative 4 goes left. Greater than or equal to negative 14 goes right. So notice we filled the entire number line. This is where your answer is all reals, because all real numbers meaning the entire number line, are solutions. We have the graph to the left goes down to negative infinity, to the right goes all the way to positive infinity, which is all real numbers. So your answer to this is all